Hello everyone, this is the practical session where we are going to look into period class in Java. So in most of the interviews, they might be asking how much strong you are in Java 1.8, and if you think about all the features, right? And one of the feature is like Java JDK, date and time API. And in the date and time API, they have introduced a lot of classes and interfaces, and we should be thorough in all these classes so that you can use it appropriately in your program. And one of the class is nothing but period. So we are going to see what is period class in Java. Basically, it represents the quantity of time in terms of years, months, and days. So definitely you have to deal with periods, right? Which is like nothing but number of years or number of days or number of months, number of weeks like that, right? So I have created one program to demonstrate how you can use period class in Java and what is period class in Java. So whenever I say period class, if I click on this period class, if you see this actual period.class file, so you can see it has been introduced since JDK 1.8, and this is the immutable class and also thread safe. And this has been it is implementing serializable interface and also chrono period interface. So we don't need to worry about how the period class is written by Oracle developers. And as a developer, we have to concentrate on how we can efficiently use the period class in our program. Okay, guys. So let me go and run this program, and I want to go from the output, right? So let's say local date, right? So local date is nothing but a class in Java, which we have seen in the previous videos, where we can simply get the date now without the time, right? And if I have a text, right? Well, if I think about some date in my mind, then if I want to convert into local date, then I can simply put parse method, and it can simply parse the text value into a local date object, right? That is, let's say I'm assuming it as an initial date, and then I want to add some 5 days to that, right? Let's say I have given like 2022 January 10, right? And I want to add some 5 days to it, right? So what I can do here is initial date dot plus of period dot of 5 of days 5. So here I can give like of days of 5. If I control here, you can see of months, of weeks, of years. So period, the class is always deals with years, year, weeks, months, days, like that, right? Or you can put everything in one parameter also, one way also, right? So this is how actually period class works. And if you add it, so it means like it is going to add 5 days to this. If you guys see here, initial date is 2022-01-10, and after adding 5 days, it is saying 2022-01-15. Right? That's the only difference. So you guys should know how to add the days or anything to deal with the number of days or number of months or number of years or number of weeks by using with the help of period class. And similarly, if you want to identify how many days between initial date and final date, right? Whatever the dates I have given, right? So there is a method called between. So in the period class, there is a method called between. If you use this, you have to pass two parameters. One is the initial date and the final date. And then if you want to get the number of days, right, then you can get the number of days. If you want to get the number of, if you see number of days, number of months, number of years in between these two parameters like initial date and final date, you can get that. So here I'm getting like 5 days, right? So that is the difference, right? Because I'm adding 5 days, and between like Jan 15 and Jan 10, I have 5 days, and that is why I'm getting 5 days here. So it is very simple to understand and easy to deal with whenever you have a requirement to deal with a date and time API in Java. And this is one of the easiest topics in Java I have seen in Java 1.8, and I hope you guys have understood this concept very easily. Please post your comments after you write the same program in your Eclipse, and see if you have any questions, and then I will answer your questions in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye bye.